Well, hello everybody. Hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm just going to share a little another home remedy with you guys that I use for inflammation. This right here is my ground ginger. I also have the organic ginger root too, so I also use that too, where you cut it up and all that. But this is the ground ginger. Also have the ground turmeric. These brands right here, I purchased these from Amazon. I'm really satisfied with the brand. I really like their brand. This is just one I purchased from a health food store. So ginger, that's the same thing as ginger. I also have my tea bags here. I have my own tea bags, my all natural tea bags that I use. And I also have ground cinnamon, locally grown honey, and a pinch of black pepper is what I use also. I also use 1/4 of a teaspoon. So this is what I use. What I use this for is I get 1/4 of a teaspoon this, my cinnamon, and I just use a pinch of the black pepper. But I put this is the measurements that I use for my tea bags for each of those. And I put them into my tea bags. And I have my hot water already boiling on the stove. And I add my ingredients in here in the tea bag. Put it into the cup, of course, and pour the hot water over it. And I add a little bit of honey to your taste, and a pinch of black pepper. And I have been using this for maybe 10 days straight. And because I noticed that I had a little swelling on my ankle. It wasn't a whole lot, but it was a little. I don't want to see any. And I started researching what I could use, as far as for anything inflamed, any inflammation. And so I came across this, and so I tried it, and I've been using it. And because I like to research natural remedies, and so I've been using it, and I've been drinking it. Been drinking it every night before I lay down. And so I've been drinking a cup of that tea, and no more swelling. The swelling is gone down. That's what inflammation is anyway, it's swelling. So the swelling is gone down. I'm so grateful for that. So this stuff really does work. But something else happened that I wasn't expecting to happen because I was not using it for that reason. So I know for sure that this works. All of this works for that. And I was using this for the inflammation, and I lost 7 pounds. Can you believe it? I lost 7 pounds. 7 pounds that I wasn't trying to lose, but I lost 7 pounds. So I don't know if it was the inflammation or whatever it was, but I did lose weight. So I know that it will help you lose weight if you're trying to get some pounds off and lose a little weight there. Just try this tea. It has many benefits to it because ginger has many benefits to it, and turmeric does also. And so that's what ground cinnamon is actually really, really good too for a lot of things, especially for diabetics. So, not a doctor. I'm just telling you things I have experienced. So that's what I do. 1/4 of a teaspoon. Those are the measurements that I use for each of those products that I just showed you guys to put into my little tea bag here. And I boil my hot water, pour it over there, let it sit a little bit, put a pinch of black pepper in there. I can't tell you how much honey to use. Everybody have their different little taste buds. I don't use a whole lot, but I put a little honey in it because honey is really good for you too. And stir it up, and I drink it every night. And that's what has happened thus far. I have lost weight. I'll probably be losing some more if I continue to drink it. I'm not real sure, but I definitely will update you guys. So if you want to try this anti-inflammatory agent here, 1/4 of a teaspoon is how I make my bag. Now, you can put it directly into your coffee cup, mug, whatever you drink out of, tea cup, coffee cup, whatever cup. I just don't like to have grinds. I want my stuff to be stirred. I don't like to see grinds in the bottom. So I really like to use my all natural tea bags here. And so that's how I use mine. But you can definitely just put it into hot water and drink it like that. So it works for me. It works for me really, really good. Just want to share that with you guys. That I've been trying all these little different home remedies. Have a few more that I'm going to be sharing with you. Probably in a couple of days, I'll be uploading another video. But I just want to thank you guys who stuck with me thus far. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please hit the like, share, also subscribe button and share my channel. Just want to thank everyone for watching. Everyone have a beautiful, blessed day today. Bye-bye.